Hello, my name is Anna, and today I'll walk you through the Servos proof of concept for a foster care community support system. Depending on how you access the page, you'll have an option to choose between three different personas. The types of users that would most benefit from this system we believe would be those interested in becoming foster parents, individuals that are already licensed foster parents or have adopted a foster child, or parents whose children are in the foster care community. From this page, we also have the option for users to report abuse or concern without even having to enter the portal. We'll start our demo with individuals interested in becoming a foster parent. This portal and the design is consistent across the entire experience. Our goal was to create a very seamless and easy way for parents to get support that they needed and find answers quickly. The top half of this page includes a global search option to search across the entire website, powerful analytics and statistics at the top of the page that are updated in real time, and a featured story to really bring in a personal touch. We also have the opportunity to report a concern. When you would click on this, a list of hotline numbers for your area would appear. Our expectation for users on this page is for them to learn more about the foster care system and determine if it's the right choice for them. We give them more information about foster care, a visual representation of the path to becoming a foster parent, and the option to take a quiz to learn if this is the right lifestyle for them. This portal experience would also include a page describing all of the eligibility requirements for your area, frequently asked questions, community, and resources, which would house supportive content in articles. The community page features forums and articles that are specific to individuals of the public that are potentially interested in becoming foster parents. This content includes things like learning more about the application process and understanding other ways to give support if foster parenting isn't right for them. As we log in as a licensed foster parent or parent of an adopted foster child, we're greeted with a lot more personalized content. Directly on this page is a very powerful and helpful dashboard that shows reminders and updates that's specific to us and our situation. In this example, a parent may have just received a new foster child placement and may have a checklist of items that needs to be completed. On this page, they can check off each item as they go and be reminded of updates as they occur. We also have the ability to see any upcoming events like caseworker monthly check-ins and conveniently add them to our calendar. Other resources on this page include contact information for a caseworker, announcements that may have been shared at a global level, and the option to get emergency support if you need help fast. Selecting My Family shows us a list of all of the profiles of any children that we're fostering or caring for. When we view their profile, we're able to see a lot more information about this child, including their background that might have been shared on their initial profile, any preferences or food, movies, anything like that they might like that it would be helpful for foster parents to know. An activity feed showing any activity related to this case, whether it be from a program administrator, a healthcare manager, or social worker, essentially allowing us to see one thorough activity log of anything that has ever happened to this case. As a parent, we have the option to post comments here and leave notes for our social worker or anyone else working on this case. Our Trends and Insights page allows us to see any concerns that have ever been reported for our child, both in a visual format and how it compares to others in a similar age group and children generally in the system. Any of the concerns that have been reported for this child is listed on the left-hand side of the page and includes a description and link to go view more supportive resources on our resources page. The Common Issues section of this page analyzes data from children with similar characteristics and backgrounds to help parents understand common concerns for children like theirs and potentially address issues before they arise. Using ServiceNow's predictive intelligence, we also see this as an opportunity to set better expectations for parents as children are moved throughout the system and notify parents if any behavior is starting to lead up to something that may become an issue. Going back to the top of the page, we also have access to our child's records. This is where both parents and caseworkers can upload records for their child, including medical and dental information, perhaps report cards or educational information, and foster care history like check-in reports. Finally, at any point while reviewing our child's profile, we have the opportunity to report a concern. This would immediately notify their caseworker and get logged against the child's case. Other features of this parents portal include requests. By going to the request page, parents can submit reimbursement requests, non-emergency requests, or emergency requests, which would be prioritized accordingly, and allow them to track the status of their request as it's processed. Our community page features content that is much more specific to current parents of foster children. We understand that a lot of the conversations between foster parents can be quite sensitive, so you can set privacy settings on many of the forums so that public users can't access them, and that families who are in the system know that they have a safe place to get the help and support that they need. Using this tool, parents can answer questions for each other or start new discussions. They can also see upcoming events so that they can interact and mingle with other parents in their community. Finally, our resources page would allow parents to then see other support documents and helpful resources so that they can get the help they need fast. As an added bonus, we anticipate making our entire experience mobile-friendly so that parents who are on the go, whether they're approaching this portal in a proactive or reactive measure, can easily access the help that they need wherever and whenever they need it. Thank you for watching this demo. We look forward to hearing your feedback and using this tool to help you and your teams work smarter.